There is one message I come with today. This message come from the indefeatable leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu years ago. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell Nigeria Zoological Army that if they come Biafra land to buy people, that be say carry their ammo tanker enter inside Biafra, he say they go leave their back door open and all those bandits go enter from back. And now wetin dey happen today. When I say that the all prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have come to pass, if I told you, I would give you the fact where he said it. And what is happening in the north today is the pure truth of what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is talking about. If you watch earlier last year, you see Nigeria Army, they are sending troops going to East. Are you seeing that again? Because most of the troops they sent to East didn't return. Then nobody there to defend them in the north, because what they think and what they started is not what is happening to them as we are talking now. Because if it is all about Islamizing Nigeria, now do you know that the same people, the same army where they create to accomplish this are the same army where they turn back now, go they carry their people and they buy people for inside their villages in numbers. The monster where you create in the night don't become a greater monster in the morning to them over there. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want them for this, but because of Nigeria ego is too much, they couldn't hold to this and they send their troop to East. And today, the forest of East is swallowing them in numbers. If you have a brother or a policeman or a mopo or any force in Nigeria, ask them, all those your friends, whether they send go East, wetin happen? Most of them no there again. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Okwezioku. See they here they bring updates back to back as it dey hot. If you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, may you quickly do so, and do not forget also to follow this page. If you're on TikTok and you want to locate our YouTube channel, click on that place you see that Instagram logo. It will open and show you a YouTube where you can go direct to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Do not forget also to follow us on TikTok. Very, very important. We dey for Twitter, we dey Instagram, we dey everywhere. So anywhere you like, go there and follow us. But make sure that you follow all our social media handles. In case of something happen to anyone, you will easily find us for another side. So let's go direct to the update and the things we want to talk about today. Nnamdi Kanu see tomorrow. And I want to tell you one thing. Nnamdi Kanu, if Nnamdi Kanu want to come out from inside that place today, Nnamdi Kanu will come outside. He will agree and accept their offer. And then Nnamdi Kanu will be a free man. But because of Nnamdi Kanu said no, he must come out victorious and he must come out with Biafra. That is why Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSS custody today. And I'm going to play you this video for you to watch and hear the message that Nnamdi Kanu give to the North and is happening today. Watch this video from beginning to end and listen everything when Nnamdi Kanu talk, and we will come back shortly and talk about them. Stay tuned.
We are
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't listen and hear wetin our great leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk in this particular video where we'll play you, and na the thing where they happen today. But e get one thing where remain to happen. I believe that will make the Igbos to wake up more and join the full force in this struggle. But however, let's look into wetin dey happen for self-referendum conducting by Biafra government in exile, which is the leader will be PM Simon Ekpa. He give update. He said that politicians are voting in this referendum secretly and is seeing them. No be small thing, my people. But however, and so we hear them more, and I will say more bring them come give una. Share this video and leave one prayer for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Share it for any group where you belong, for WhatsApp group where you belong, and make sure say you leave one prayer for undefeatable leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because that man, wetin that man do for us, I believe nobody go feed one for us. Nnamdi Kanu is a great man and he must come outside victorious. That is our prayer for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Leave your own prayer in a comment section and make sure say you share this video and make sure say you follow all our social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.